In plastic processing, there is a common technique known as injection molding. It involves heating material until it melts, injecting it into a mold cavity, and letting it cool to create a finished product. In metalworking, we use an almost identical process, and we call it die casting. Die casting is a process where molten metal is forced into a mold under high pressure. Because we are dealing with liquid metals, the molds themselves must be crafted from high-strength alloy steel. We typically use non-ferrous materials like zinc, copper, aluminum, lead, and their various alloys, mainly because these metals have relatively low melting points. Die casting is generally divided into two approaches: cold chamber and hot chamber die casting. In a cold chamber die casting, the molten metal is poured into a shot chamber, either manually or automatically, and then pressed into the mold. It is usually used for aluminum alloys. In contrast, hot chamber die casting keeps the metal in a liquid state by continuously heating a melting pool. When pressure is applied, the molten metal is pushed directly into the mold cavity. Once the metal solidifies, the mold opens, the part is ejected, and the cycle is completed. It is ideal for alloys with low melting temps like zinc, magnesium. The mold is usually made by CNC machining and electrical discharge machining. Once a mold is ready, it can be used thousands of times, allowing for the highly repeatable mass production of identical parts. This makes the process efficient, especially when manufacturing components with complex shapes and thin walls. That's all about the die casting process. If you are looking for a high-quality rapid prototyping supplier with fast turnaround times, look no further than us. We are equipped with over 80 production machines and advanced inspection instruments, ensuring that every single part undergoes thorough testing before shipment.